The issue of nullification caused a serious controversy in one particular situation in the first part of the 19th century.
In 1828, the U.S. Congress passed a bill that authorized new tariffs on some imported manufactured goods. This meant that taxes would have to be paid to the federal government when certain manufactured goods were imported. And since many goods were not manufactured in the United States at the time, if people wanted to have these goods, then the goods had to be imported. The issue of nullification arose in this situation when one of the southern states in the United States held a convention to discuss the tariffs on some imported products. The convention voted to nullify the law that required the tariffs to be paid on those imported goods. In other words, the state voted not to follow a law passed by a federal government. The President of the United States, Andrew Jackson, sent federal troops into the state to impose the federal law on tariffs there. A compromise was reached when the government passed a new law that lowered the tariff, and the southern state agreed to pay this lower tariff. The issue of nullification caused a serious controversy in one particular situation in the first part of the 19th century. In 1828, the U.S. Congress passed a bill that authorized new tariffs on some imported manufactured goods. This meant that taxes would have to be paid to the federal government when certain manufactured goods were imported. And since many goods were not manufactured in the United States at the time, if people wanted to have these goods, then the goods had to be imported. The issue of nullification arose in this situation when one of the southern states in the United States held a convention to discuss the tariffs on some imported products. The convention voted to nullify the law that required that tariffs be paid on those imported goods. In other words, the issue of nullification caused a serious controversy in one particular situation in the first part of the 19th century. In 1828, the U.S. Congress passed a bill that authorized a new tariff on some imported manufactured goods. This meant that taxes would have to be paid to the federal government when certain manufactured goods were imported. And since many goods were not manufactured in the United States at the time, if people wanted to have these goods, then the goods had to be imported. The issue of nullification arose in this situation when one of the southern states in the United States held a convention to discuss the tariffs on some imported products. The convention voted to nullify the law that required the tariff to be paid on those imported goods. In other words, the state voted not to follow a law passed by the federal government. The President of the United States, Andrew Jackson, sent federal troops into the state to impose the federal law on tariffs there. A compromise was reached when the government passed a new law that lowered the tariff, and the southern state agreed to pay this lower tariff. The issue of